Now then YouTube, you've tuned into another one of the Ian Welburn collection, where you can see him in this Deutz-Fahr C9306 TSB. This is on sort of like a loan hire off Hardwicks, as their 660 is in for repair. So to get them by with their contracting work, they've been using this. I think the combine's about fixed at this point in time, so we'll be back on it at some point. They've also got Stockdale's leading with their Deutz-Fahr 6165, and they also have Easterby trailers. You can just see it in the background there. Later Chris will be on one, but he's on a smaller case. I'm not sure the model what that is, but as I'm learning with camera job, you don't want to be facing sun or else you can't see a lot but darkness. But it's a lot better now. So he's just chopping down a bit of wheat there in my dad's field, which is farmed by Chris Stockdale. As you can see there's some amazing background, but I haven't managed to get a video of him chopping that up. This video has a few views from cab, and then I'll shoot a bit more from front foot. So who's responsible for keeping it trailing?
Well, I can do it, look at that, I've got a camera here.
Oh, right, yeah. Can't really see it on this thing. I was with Big Baz was having a go, but I think it's his first time or second time trailering, so they just pulled the combine up and did it stationary, and then I think towards the end of the day he was doing this, because it's meant to be a bit tricky in it, this.
Yeah, it's when you've got a big, long distance from Penton's about like that, it's a fair way off the road.
Yeah. I suppose it won't be too bad for Tom, because Tom's quite high up to be able to see in trailer there, do you think?
Yeah.
Like Baz could hardly see in trailer he was with.
Yeah.
Oh, have you just emptied your load then?
No, I haven't finished.
Oh.
No, this...
He's just stopping to let you turn around.
Yeah, because I'm going to head like...
He's going to want greedy boards on soon anyway, that.
Yeah, there's a ladder. Yeah, so you can carry the tank.
Is that if organ knackers up or out like that then?
Pardon?
That'll be through organ for knackers.
Yeah, there is a grease nipple inside the tank, which will hold grease in, and but it's only once a year.
Right.
I think.
What's the idea at Windows? Is that so you can get a sample if you want from here?
Well, just to have a look in.
So it gobbles that up, no bother then? Lowered coal bit in there to get it gathered up a bit better. Yeah. That's crap, ain't it? Oops, bumming her up there. I suppose it'll make sense for Chris to be a smaller tractor, because then he'll have a bit more experience for seeing over big trailers, won't he?
Yeah.
Looks like he's filling trailer better, doesn't he?
He does. Oh, he does.
It's not his first rodeo, is it?
No.
This will be keeping Di up on the night on this. He likes greedy boards on, does he?
Yeah.
Could have had a bit more in there.
Yeah, I could have done that. I don't like doing it when overdoing it.
Yeah. Well, it's better to...
Because
it's like
just
this
air, bit of a delay when you turn them off.
Ah.
With a lever, it's on and off.
Paul's come for a look. Got some muck on, hasn't it? too bad in here, I suppose. You can see over the top.
Yeah, the other one you can't.
Yeah, your dad's having a right struggling going on, but he can do it though.
It's hard.
Yeah, he's a pro though, is your dad. Tell you what, they don't half get mucky, don't they, combines?
Dust and that, yeah?
I couldn't believe how mucky Ian's hands were. Just from cleaning glasses off and camera. Sit down, John, stop hair lickers. That's nice and clean in cabinet. Look at this bloody dog. Sit down, woofers. I better go and get some tea. Faster.